Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
The Old English word for cough is cohhian. This term traces back to the linguistic roots of English, reflecting how certain health conditions were recognized and named even in ancient times. Understanding these linguistic origins can offer fascinating insights into historical perspectives on health and disease.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.